person who is also an inspiration to our team. Please give a warm welcome applause for Mr. Eric!
Hello, pinalakpakan yung sarili. Yan, good afternoon everyone. And welcome to our International Visa Expo, celebrating our 11th year anniversary. So, of course, we would like to welcome each and everyone dahil we are celebrating our 11th anniversary. Pwede ba ako mag-request ng 11 na palakpak sa ating mga guests? Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, akala ko may susobre. Alright, so yun nga po. To introduce myself, my name is Eric Lagarde. I'm a marketing specialist working for Phil Global Immigration Services Corporation. So, as you already know, para sa mga nakapag-browse na sa aming website, we provide student visa services and other services as well. So, we are celebrating our 11th anniversary, and as you can see, our office is located sa tapat ng NBI. So, we are legitimate. Hindi namin kayo lolokohin. Okay? And siguro ang pinaka masasabi ko lang is that you have seen the videos kanina para dun sa mga medyo nag-antay ng matagal. Apologies for that. No? Na meron tayong mga testimonial videos from our clients na napalipad na namin, nakapunta sa ibang bansa at ngayon ay may permanent residency na doon. So, si marketing siya yung huling nakakausap ng mga members namin bago sila lumipat. So, ako po ay buhay na patunay na these people, from the moment that they inquired sa services ni Phil Global hanggang sa makalipad sila, we are going to assist you. We offer you lifetime assistance. Isa yun sa mga maipapangako ni Phil Global. And with the many pathway consultants that we have, we also partnered with different international institutions na makakasiguro na magpo-provide sa inyo ng maayos at dekalidad na services from an immigration agency. And one thing that I am really proud to say is that we are the first and only ISO certified immigration company in the Philippines. So, that is one of the facts na talagang proud kami because we are following the international standards for providing a high quality and world class na immigration services. So with that, marami pinatay. Ayan. So sabotahe. Marami po kaming school partners na nandito. Nandyan po sila sa likod mamaya. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng time to get to know them, ask them questions. No, lahat po ng inyong concerns, lahat ng inyong katanungan, maaari na po nating itanong sa kanila. And we are here to support and guide you with the best that we can. So welcome to our 11th anniversary and enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you.